Welcome back. So today I'll be reviewing white tea and sage from Bath and Body Works. It's it's an off and on fragrance on the Bath and Body Works website, so I wanted to review it. And yeah, it I bought this thinking that it is a fresh fragrance, and it is actually a fresh fragrance, but with a twist. I will tell you what the twist is. So yeah, let's move on with the video. And so this is how the packaging looks like up close. It has like beautiful pattern on it, tuberose, and I really was like amazed when I saw the packaging. It's very beautiful and it looks pretty decent on the vanity. I am selling it out, so I wanted to review it before selling it out. So as you can see here, the note says sparkling bergamot, white tea and fresh sage. So it's actually a very nice fragrance. When it comes to the scent profile, it smells nice. If you are someone who loves a nice tea fragrance or a fragrance with a tea note, I would say you can blind buy this. So let's just spray it on a piece of paper and tell you how it smells exactly. So the atomizer is pretty nice. It straight up smells like tea. That is what I can smell here. What I can smell here is straight up tea. Along with I have never sniffed sage. If you have sniffed sage, do let me know how it smells like. But it smells like white. I don't know how white tea smells like, but it has a strong tea note and it has like a green note, which I think is sage. It smells like sage and it has sort of a spice mix to it. It smells like those masala tea you have with slight bergamot, like slight citrusiness in the background. Yeah, it's straight up tea and sage. If you know, like if you have sniffed a fresh cup of tea and sage together, I think you would know how this smells like. I think that green note is the smell of sage mixed with tea and some spices. So that is what I'm getting from this. This is straight up masala tea and sage. That is how I would exactly. And the masala in it is actually similar to hajmola. If you have ever had uh, like a digestive candy, hajmola is sort of a digestive candy like sold in India. So if you are someone who have had that hajmola, it smells very similar to that masala in the tea with sage. If you are someone who is getting my point, you would know how this one smells like exactly. It has that spiciness of that mango hajmola or the the orange packet hajmola you get. It has that mixed with, it has like, it smells like a tea that has hajmola in it, that orange packet hajmola, and along with a sage burning on the side. Like it does not have that burnt smell of sage, but when you crush the leaves of sage, you'll get a particular smell which you can sniff and tell that it has that fragrance in this. So yeah, it's a very complicated fragrance. It has slight freshness because of the bergamot, but I would say if you like tea and if you like sage and if you like hajmola or hingoli, whatever you prefer, I think you should go for this one. Otherwise, you can skip it. I would say if you are like a freshie, like a person who loves fresh fragrances, I don't think you would love this, because I don't know, for some people it might be off-putting because the tea and sage note together is giving it a very, very unique and different, and I don't know, it was not a good fragrance for me. and that's the reason why I am selling it out. So do let me know if you like this fragrance and if I've described this fragrance correctly. I wanted to describe this fragrance in layman's term. So yeah, to describe this fragrance in layman's term so that people in general can understand it. So yeah, thanks for watching my video and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.